All right, let's do one more example problem. If I say -5 c d to the -4 times, actually, let's do this in a different color, 2 c d to the 2 raised to the 2. So remember that if they don't write the power down, the power is 1. So I'm going to distribute this 2 through. In other words, I'm going to multiply the 2 times the 1 here, multiply the 2 times the 1 here, and multiply the 2 times the 2 here. So I get 2 raised to the 1 times 2. C is raised to the first power, but I'm multiplying by 2, so that becomes c squared, and then d to the 4th. So that whole thing becomes 2 squared times c squared times d to the 4th. Everything over here just stays the same for now. So this is just -5 times c to the first power times d to the -4. Now, because I have all my work done, I could just multiply these things out. In other words, I could say -5 times 2. I could say c to the first power times c squared, right? C to the first times c squared. And then I could say d to the -4 times d to the +4. Well, then -5 times 2 is -10. I'm going to add these up, right? So this is 1 plus 2, which would be c to the third power. Okay. And I want to point this out because this is where kids make a common mistake is kids don't know when to multiply and when to subtract. I'm multiplying here because I'm raising a power to a power. Am I raising a power to a power here? No. So you just add. So if you want to know when you multiply, it's when you raise a power to a power. If you want to know when to add, it's when you're not raising a power to a power. Now for this next one, I'm just going to add -4 plus 4, which is 0. So that's d to the 0. Remember that anything raised to the 0 is the same as 1. Well, what's 1 times -10? Just -10. So the final answer is -10. Wait. Oh, I made a mistake. Did you guys see the mistake? What's 2 squared? What did I write down? 2. So it should be -5 times 4. I guess we're all a little rusty, huh?
Yeah.
You guys keep talking so that when I go to the principal, I could just play this video to him and let him know exactly who's talking and disrupting class. Okay? Keep talking. Anyways, the final answer is -20 raised to the 0 power. Any questions on that? Thumbs up if you kind of get it. Thumbs down if you're lost. If you're somewhere in the middle, that's okay. We just got to keep going over it. Okay, cool.